We are at Imagine Orthodontic Studio in Temple Terrace, and I'm so happy to be sitting here with Dr. Brent Bowen, and I'm trying to give you the experience of what it will be like when you come and have an appointment here at Imagine Orthodontic Studio. Great to see you today, Doctor. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for coming in and spending a little time here.
Yes, and I'm enjoying learning about sort of the business model here. What makes it different? What makes Imagine Orthodontic Studio different? I know you're able to provide that affordability with the way that you run it here.
Yeah, like you said, the affordability is a big thing for people, being able to provide care for a lot of people that maybe wouldn't be able to get care. I think that we have a trendy environment here. I've had lots of patients say, I like the vibe here. You know, we've got big murals, nice colors, it's an open concept. Also, we basically have cutting-edge technology for patient comfort. We use intraoral scanners, basically, which is different than the traditional impression with the goopy stuff that you may have had done.
There's so many things that you can provide and just in an efficient way, it seems. I do want to find out, what about that person who's saying, I don't know if I need braces. I don't know if I need any orthodontics. Maybe my child does. I'm not exactly sure. How do you know if it's right for you?
You know, a lot of times we'll get dentists that are focused on orthodontic problems, and they'll send patients to us if they notice something that may be irregular. Maybe there's a teeth not coming in, maybe they have some crowding issues, maybe there's a bite issue, so then they'll send them to us. Other people may just not like the way their teeth look. And you know, when we're able to fix somebody's teeth and give them a beautiful smile, it causes them to have better confidence, self-esteem, and you know, that's what's great about what I do, is I'm able to see that transformation from somebody that may be shy, not able to smile, and then during the course of treatment we'll see them change. Their whole personality changes by the time they get to end of treatment.
What's been your experience in dentistry?
So my background, I'm originally from right up the road. I'm from Orlando. So after finishing college and going to dental school, I ventured out to Alabama and Birmingham, and then after that I was a dentist in the U.S. Army. So I had a scholarship to go in the Army, had to pay him back. Then I was a private practice general dentist for about 10 years in Asheville, North Carolina. And then after I decided, you know, maybe I want to go into this orthodontic thing for a lot of reasons. I was fortunate enough to get into a program, went to Pennsylvania, ended up having a practice in Missouri, an orthodontic practice in Missouri for about 7 years, and then wandered my way back to Imagine Dental Studio. And
it's great to be here now where you're really able to provide confidence to that patient coming in and wanting to improve their smile, and that's what you do here. You do have multiple locations in the Tampa Bay area.
Yeah, we have a location here in Temple Terrace, there's one in St. Pete, and there's one in Clearwater, and then we have one in Lakeland.
What can a patient expect the first time they're in this seat?
So just a warm, welcoming environment with our treatment coordinator, just trying to get to know them, find out, you know, what's their chief complaint, what are they coming for to see us for, you know, do they need a dentist to get them ready for treatment. Obviously they're going to experience the atmosphere that we have here, with the music and just the colors. They may experience somebody getting their braces off. We do a little celebration with confetti and try to make a big deal about it.
That's awesome. Okay, well, we're going to look at the information on the screen now so our viewers know where to go so they can book their free consultation, no obligation. There you go. Check it out on the screen.